You can talk to the universe. And in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to talk to the universe so that you can manifest what you want in life and you can start to receive signs and blessings from the universe a lot quicker by learning how to communicate with it in 3 simple and easy steps. Make sure you hit the like button on this side and this side if you enjoyed this video, and let's dive right into it. Number 1, gratitude. The quickest way to communicate through the universe is gratitude. And I know that sounds a little odd, but in other words, prayer. That's how you communicate with the universe, but the problem is nobody knows how to pray. Nobody knows how to do it. We're all doing it in this way where we're pleading and begging God to give us stuff. God, please, hey, please. It's like it's this giant vending machine in the sky that we must beg with to get things that we want in life. And that's how a lot of us pray. Hey, you out there, help me out, please, please. Well, if you look at the Bible or you look at even traditional Native American cultures, they have a similarity. In the Bible, it says, to those that have, more is given, and to those that don't have, even that which they have is taken away. To those that have, more is given is not saying if you're rich, you're going to get more stuff. It's saying if you, in consciousness, possess what you want, you continue to get more of it. And to those that do not have, to those that have a poverty consciousness, a lack and limitation consciousness, they will continue to attract more of that. It goes on to say other things like that, ask and believe and you'll receive it. Ask it, and if you have it in consciousness, then you're going to get it, basically. And there's dozens of different passages like that. But then you look at the Native American culture and they have a similar pattern with prayer. In fact, they basically say to pray for rain, you have to feel the feeling of rain in your life. Greg Braden, who is a scholar that's written many books on quantum physics and also on prayer in the Native American culture, he wrote it because when he went to go pray with some individuals in New Mexico, when they went to the edge of the vista, they were praying for rain. And he thought it was going to be this big elaborate ceremony like you know, maybe saw in a movie. And they'd have this big huge prayer ceremony. But when he got there, they stopped for a second. It was quiet for a moment, and then the individual turned to Greg and said, okay, we're done. And Greg said, wait a minute, guys. I thought we were going to do a big prayer and all these things for rain. And he said, yeah, we already did it. All we do is we close our eyes and we smell the rain. We hear the rain. We feel the rain, and we say thank you to God, thank you to the universe, thank you to Mother Nature for giving us rain. And he said, whoa. That's a lot like quantum physics. That's a lot like observer effect consciousness, where if you possess what you want in consciousness, we've seen, and based off of your perception, we've seen that subatomic particles, the most minute structures of atoms, sometimes they're invisible and sometimes they're visible. We called that the observer effect in quantum physics because observation, perception itself, was influencing the outer subatomic world. Well, this is the same thing it's saying into the Bible. To those that have, more will be given. And to those that don't, even that taken away. So to those that have, more is given is the same exact idea of possessing it in consciousness, which is the same idea that the Native Americans illustrated to Greg Braden in New Mexico when they said they had the rain in consciousness. The same thing the Bible said, and the same thing that modern quantum physics tells us with the observer effect and how perception affects subatomic particles. And you can go through and through all different types of religions, whether it's Judaism, whether it's Christianity, whether it's other types of religions, whether it's spiritual teachings, whether it's old, for in this instance, Native American traditions, and you could find time and time again, it's this same pattern, which is gratitude. So if you want to communicate with the universe, you do it through the frequency and consciousness that you are emitting. to this omnipresent intelligence. So then the question is, can you feel the feelings of gratitude for what you want, even if it hasn't happened yet in this physical reality? Because if you do, then you hold the key to manifesting anything that you could ever want. So let's move on to the next steps. If you're still enjoying this video, make sure you hit the like button right over there on this side, right over there on this side. And to get a takeaway from the first section of the video, you could comment down below, feeling is the secret. That's what Neville Goddard used to say. You could comment, feeling is the secret, because feeling is how you shift your consciousness and you pray for what you want by matching the energy or the vibration of it. Now, the second way to talk to the universe is through faith-backed action. What I mean by that is the universe speaks through feeling. Your dominant emotions, what that really is your energy in motion. The word emotion is energy in motion. So your dominant emotions are your overall vibrational frequency that you're broadcasting to the universe. Now, what happens to a lot of people is they focus on the mental aspect of attracting what they want. They're so focused on positive psychology in that they're trying to think about what they want all the time because they think if they just think about it, then they're going to get it. But deep down, they feel so afraid of failing that they're afraid to ever take action. They never go ask that person out. They never fully enter into a relationship because they're afraid it might not work out because their dad cheated on their mom when they were younger. They never fully go for it and chase their dream idea, start their dream business, make that one album, travel to that one place, move to that one place, say that one thing in that one relationship, and finally speak your feelings. Or finally, for me, it was dropping out of college. I mean, it was deciding to write a book as a 20-year-old when every publishing company said no, so I self-published it and decided I was going to sell it out of the trunk of my car. When you take action with faith, you're sending the signal to the universe on a very deep level that you're ready for the next step. Life and all of its beauties, this friendly universe and all of its abundance, it will reveal itself to you when you first show up for it. So ask yourself, based off of what you want, money, business, job, love, romance, relationships, adventure, travel, house, car, this thing, that thing, your dream life, how can you take faith-based action towards it? When you do this, you set in motion the whole universe. Albert Einstein illustrated it best. He said, nothing happens until something moves. That's pretty cool, right? We live in an infinite universe full of all possibilities. You could be anything that you want. You could have anything that you want. You can do anything that you want. Nearly anything is possible for you. But nothing happens until something moves. Because everything is energy and energy attracts itself. So nothing happens until something moves. What's that something that needs to move? You, me, us. You move. When you take faith-based action today, the universe says, oh my gosh, they're ready. The universe says, oh my gosh, you're ready. Oh my gosh, you're ready for more money. Oh my gosh, you're ready for that promotion. Oh my gosh, you're ready for the right relationship. Oh my gosh, you're ready for more blessings. Oh my gosh, you're ready for something great to show up in your life beyond what you could possibly comprehend. Oh, they're ready for the next level. They're ready to level up. And that's when the beauty, magic, and joy starts to happen. Faith-based action is the best way to talk to the universe. The third and final way we're going to discuss today is letting go of trying to control the universe. When you do, beauty, blessings, far beyond what you can possibly comprehend, they begin to reveal themselves to you at once. A lot of times we try to control the universe so much. I have to get this job. I have to date this specific person. It has to be Billy. It has to be Jessica. I have to get this job. I have to have this house. It has to be this car. It has to be this person and this thing. And please, I want it. What happens is because our free will is so involved in the ultimate destiny of our reality, that we're using our free will to block a higher good that we can't possibly comprehend in our limited senses. That there is a force in the universe that is friendly, it is kind, it is loving, it is infinite in nature, it is truly miraculous. And this miracle working presence of the universe is always available to you, but it will not reveal itself to you unless you're ready for it. And the reason is because of free will, because we're all souls and spiritual bodies here for our own journeys, to experience our own pain or our own joy or our own suffering or our own freedom or our own challenges, or not. So it's the free will component. So it's saying, universe, I would like this or something better. Even better. I want something like this or something better. I want to make $10,000 a month or something better. I want this job or something better. I want to date Nicole or somebody better. I want to date Billy or somebody better. I want to move. I want this house, this car, this thing, or something better. I want this for my kid or something even better for them. And when you do this, you're sending intention, but you aren't limiting the innate ability of intention to actually return back to you tenfold, even greater than your own desires. That the real blessings and the miracle of the universe is more powerful and more miraculous and more exciting than you could ever imagine, but you have to let go. So this is the phrase to do that. This or something better, universe. That or something better. Amen. Thank you. This or something better. Them or somebody better. That or something better. And when you do this, you send intention, you let go, and you invite a power even greater than you can possibly conceive of or perceive to start to orchestrate and govern your life to heights you never would have imagined. So you can comment down below, if not this, something better. I invite you to write that in your journal, maybe put it in your notes on your phone or computer, put it on a little sticky note. You can comment it down below as well. If not this, then something better. Now, I truly hope you enjoyed this video. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. If you have enjoyed it, please do me a favor. Hit the like button on this side or hit the like button on this side right over there. It takes you 2 seconds. It does send this out into the YouTube universe so more people see the video. You can leave a comment down below and let me know one thing you are grateful for if you would like. Leaving a comment down below and hitting the like button does help send this out into the YouTube universe so more people see the video. One thing I'm grateful for if you watch this video all the way through is that you watch this video all the way through. I know you're really busy. I know you have a lot of things going on. I know there's a million other videos on YouTube, and I know there's a million other things you got to do off of YouTube. So thank you for watching this video all the way through. I do truly appreciate it. And please leave a comment down below and let me know one thing that you're grateful for. I'll see you on the next video. Make sure you hit the subscribe, bell notification, and you can check out my free success hypnosis in the description in the comments. It's jakeshypnosis.com.